In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link pages in your Canva designs. If you've ever created a multi-page presentation, a portfolio, a workbook, or a digital planner, being able to click an element and jump straight to another page makes your design feel polished and easy to navigate. I'll walk you through the exact process and share a few helpful tips so you feel confident doing it yourself. Start by opening your design in Canva. Make sure you are in the editor with the pages you want to connect already added. The feature works best when you know which page should be the destination. Whether that's a table of contents linking to sections, a next button going forward, or a back button returning to a cover page. Click the element you want to make clickable. This can be a text box, an image, an icon, or a button shape you've styled. Pick something that visually tells the viewer it's interactive. Clear wording and consistent styles, like a recurring button color, make a big difference in usability. Now open the link tool. On desktop, you have a few options. You can right-click the selected element and choose Link. You can click the 3 more icon in the floating toolbar and select Link there. Or, if you like shortcuts, press Ctrl-K on Windows or Cmd+K on a Mac. Any of these will open the link menu. In the link menu, you'll see a field where you can type a web address. For this workflow, don't enter a URL. Instead, look for the section labeled Pages in this document. This is what tells Canva you want the link to jump to another page within the same file. From that list, choose your target by clicking on the page number or the page title. If you've named your pages in the page panel, those titles will appear here and make selection even easier. Take a second to confirm you've picked the correct destination. To apply the link, click Done, or simply click anywhere outside the menu. Canva will attach the link to your selected element. If you select the element again and open the link tool, you'll see your chosen page referenced there, which is a quick way to verify it's set. Repeat the same process for any other elements you want linked. Keep your labels consistent. Using the same words and styles for navigation helps people know where to click and what to expect. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.